For over a century, archaeologists believed they had a clear understanding of when humans first arrived in North America.
Based on the evidence here, including these distinctive stone tools connected to the Clovis culture.
And its distinctive stone tools. This timeline became deeply embedded in academic research, museums, and history books, shaping how generations of scholars and students imagine the peopling the Americas and leaving little room for alternative interpretations or earlier human presence. Despite its popularity, some researchers quietly questioned the Clovis first theory, suspecting that older evidence might exist but had either been destroyed by time or remained hidden beneath deep layers of sediment. Archaeology often advances through patience and persistence. And in a remote
The location was isolated, far from modern development, which helped protect the site from disturbance, erosion, and contamination, allowing ancient materials to remain buried and undisturbed for tens of thousands of years. As excavations progressed, archaeologists uncovered distinct layers of volcanic ash and hardened soil, each representing different periods of time and acting like pages in a natural history book written by the Earth itself.
Beneath these layers, researchers discovered stone tools that immediately raised questions, as their position deep underground suggested they were far older than any artifacts previously linked to early North American cultures.
Detailed analysis revealed that these tools were intentionally shaped, sharpened, and designed for specific purposes, demonstrating advanced planning and skill rather than random or accidental stone breakage. Even more surprising was the discovery that the stone used to make these tools did not originate locally, indicating that ancient humans either traveled great distances or maintained wide-ranging movement patterns across Ice Age landscapes. Nearby, archaeologists uncovered large animal bones buried alongside the tools, suggesting that the site was not merely a temporary shelter but an active place of hunting, food processing, and survival activities. Close examination of the bones revealed clear cut marks and fracture patterns consistent with deliberate butchering, ruling out natural causes such as animal scavenging, trampling, or geological pressure. These marks showed that early humans possessed detailed knowledge of animal anatomy, allowing them to efficiently process meat, marrow, and other valuable resources essential for survival in harsh Ice Age conditions. To strengthen their conclusions, scientists conducted microscopic and chemical tests on the bones and tools, searching for biological traces that could confirm direct human interaction with the animals. The results revealed microscopic residues of ancient animal blood, providing powerful scientific evidence that humans actively hunted and processed large Ice Age animals at the site. Radiocarbon dating was performed multiple times using different samples to ensure accuracy, as researchers understood that such a discovery would face intense scrutiny within the scientific community. Each test produced similar results, indicating that the site dated back approximately 18,000 to 20,000 years, far earlier than the traditionally accepted timeline for human presence in North America. This time frame placed humans firmly within the Last Glacial Maximum, a period marked by extreme cold, massive ice sheets, and dramatic environmental challenges across much of the continent. Living during this era required extraordinary adaptability, as early humans faced freezing temperatures, limited vegetation, and dangerous megafauna while relying on cooperation, intelligence, and innovation to survive. Some scientists initially expressed skepticism, questioning whether the tools and bones could truly be linked to human activity rather than natural geological processes. However, independent researchers reviewed the evidence, confirmed the cut marks and dates, and increasingly supported the conclusion that humans were present far earlier than once believed. This growing body of evidence forced archaeologists to reconsider traditional migration models, including coastal routes and alternative pathways into the continent during the Ice Age. The discovery also raised new questions about how these early populations adapted to extreme environments and whether they interacted with later groups who arrived thousands of years afterward. Rather than providing final answers, the site opened new avenues of research, encouraging scientists to search for additional pre-Clovis locations across North and South America. It became clear that the story of human origins in the Americas was not a single event, but a complex process involving resilience, movement, and long-term survival. Each artifact recovered from the site added another layer of understanding, revealing how early humans lived, hunted, and adapted in a world vastly different from our own.